love my toothbrush. I left my toothbrush. I left my toothbrush in the. Say the yellow.
Thank you.
Nice, bye. No more, no more.
Sabi ko si Daddy, gutom siya. Kaya sabi niya, kinuha yung kay Kiana, burger. Sabi ko, this is the food. Oh, look at my bag. Oh, God. Let's go. I'm gonna get Thank you. All of that just goes to play.
Jel, palit tayo ah.
No,
Doon ako sa window.
no, you're sitting with mom.
Doon ako sa window.
Oh, wait, can you help me since you don't you can just clean up my top?
Picture, picture. I thought you were taking a picture.
Hey, you hit me hard, brother. Scared.
Dad, why so close?
Second. You know what I brought? Dude, there's this thing that you put around your neck. And
Wi-Fi on board, Kiana.
That should get done. That, you know, Jasmine
Wi-Fi.
flew first class.
Really? That's 4,000 bucks. Hi.
Hello, welcome for Mr.
Yeah?
Place, yeah.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah, mine are yours. Did you go mine? No, yeah, yours right here. The story.
Are you guys all doing?
Excuse me. Thank you.
Maybe you'll take mine.
Excuse me.
It's coming right
Thank you.
there. It's okay.
Excuse me.
Dear passengers, welcome aboard. For your safety and comfort during the flight, please place your hand-carried items in the overhead compartments. You would like to use the non-transmitting functions of your mobile phones and electronic devices during the flight.
65E, ano ka?
And turn off Wi-Fi function.
Dito ka na.
once door is closed. For your safety, may we advise you not to use power banks in flight. Thank you.
Can you hold it? Di kasha. Oh, okay. Tapos, yung sa'yo. Other side. It's okay.
Here?
No, here. That's fine. Sorry.
Chào mừng quý khách. Để tạo sự an toàn và thoải mái cho quý khách trong chuyến chuyến bay, xin vui lòng để hành lý sách tay trong ngăn tủ phía trên đầu ghế ngồi. Nếu quý khách có nhu cầu sử dụng một số tính năng không truyền dẫn sóng của điện thoại di động và thiết bị di động trên chuyến bay, xin vui lòng chuyển sang chế độ trên máy bay và tắt chức năng Wi-Fi trước khi máy bay đóng cửa.
Ayos na.
Vì lý do an toàn, chúng tôi xin khuyên nghị quý khách không sử dụng điện thoại dự phòng trong chuyến bay. Xin cảm ơn.